Managing SEO accounts and campaigns, such as on Google AdWords, can be complex and extremely time-consuming. Reviewing large amounts of campaigns, ad groups, keywords, ads, and extensions manually can take an enormous amount of time, and it often means handling massive amounts of data. In this case study, we showcase a project with alpineresorts.com, a ski rental platform that manages many thousands of ad groups, ads, and millions of keywords on Google AdWords. For this case, Hansel AMS developed Adporter, a Python-based system that helps to automatically manage advertisement campaigns, ad groups, ads, keywords, and ad extensions in terms of creation and management. Let's jump into a use case. The marketing team from Alpine Resorts needed a tool with the following specs: a tool that can interact directly with Google AdWords API, that automates the creation, updating, pausing, and removal of campaigns, ad groups, keywords, ads, and extensions, that lets you manage on a daily basis multiple accounts on a large scale with millions of keywords, that is simple to use, and where the marketeer can easily manage the logic via a spreadsheet. To fulfill all these requirements, Hansel AMS created Adporter, a Python-based system with the purpose to fully automate creation and management of entities in Google Ads via the AdWords API. But how does Adporter work? The system uploads Google Sheets input files and uses custom logical entity management rules controlled by the marketeer in Google Sheets spreadsheet. This provides the target setup. Then Adporter reads the API current state on Google AdWords, compares the two, and manages the changes. We can visualize three main components. Target generation. The script uploads input files, which can be spreadsheets containing lists of accounts, campaigns, ad groups, ad templates, with custom text placeholders, and so on. Those inputs are transformed according to the defined rules. Match. The script downloads the current actual setting from the API, matches it against target setting, and manages the changes. Uploads what's new in target setting and removes what's not in target setting anymore. AdWords Update Manager. The script checks if multiple accounts require an update on the same day and runs independent parallel processes. As a result, the changes managed by Adporter can be summarized in 5 levels. Campaign level. New campaigns are created, status is updated, bids, geo, and language targeting are set up. Ad group level. Ad groups are created, paused, and reactivated. Ad, keyword, and extension level. Creation, removal, and management according to changes in input files. Also, with Adporter, it is extremely easy to make changes to campaigns, ad text templates, or keywords. It is possible to make changes to an existing campaign, ad text, or keywords. Let Adporter port the original campaign and create a new one, analyze results of changes, and based on the results, keep the changes, make new ones, or revert them. If you want to know how to optimize your management on campaigns for a better outcome, please get in touch with us.